The website I'll be showing in this video can create multiple Gmail addresses for you. So let's check it out. So log on to this website, right? I'll leave a link to the website in the description box or as a pinned comment in the comment section. And then you navigate to the top right here where you have full access. So next up, you're going to click this create button right here. And then you just fill in the parameters, right? So let me do that again. Okay, click create. And then you can ensure your email type is on Google, right? And then leave other settings the way they are. Then go right ahead and click this blue button, generate. So just give it a few minutes, it's going to generate. So right here, it has created a Gmail address for you. All right, so I'm going to try to use this email address to sign up on this AI website, right? So I'm going to come back to my email, the email page, right? And I'm going to come to where I have this copy button right here. And then I'm going to go to the website, right? Now I'm going to try to log in, and then it gives me the prompting to create an account, right? So I'm going to go to down here where I have sign up, and then I'm going to fill in my email address. Remember, we literally copied the email before. So I'm going to paste it, Ctrl V to paste, right? And then I'm going to enter any password of my choice. Now, they're going to send a verification code to the email address, right? So I'm going to click get code. And then let's go back to our email address to be sure if they send the code, right? So I'm going to refresh the email, click the refresh button right here. So as you can see right here, the code from the website we tried to sign up earlier has come, right? So I'm just going to click this and scroll down. Right, just give it a few more seconds, click this and just wait for a few more seconds for so right here, this is the code. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in this field right here. Now like I said, what we're just trying to do is to test this email address if it actually works on Primo websites. So you're going to click this box, agree to the terms and conditions, and click sign up. Yes, so I can save this, right? So as you can see right here, our account has been created using the temporary Gmail address. So this is pretty much how you can generate multiple Gmail accounts for free. So if you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you've got questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll attend to them as soon as possible. So ensure you subscribe to my channel and the post notifications icon is turned on. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.